You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. From Italian. The Italian pronunciation, if you want to learn more names from different liqueurs. This is the name of a cocktail as well. Martini is the Italian pronunciation, Martini, and it's also a vermouth. Martini is how it's pronounced in English. Martini from Italian, Martini. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.